We'll guide you through how to record Minecraft gameplay on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to go and do, as perhaps you want to go and put it on YouTube, or you want to just go and share it with somebody. We'll guide you through how it's done. So to go and get started, you can come and just pause the game or come to the main menu. Now what we do need to do is go and download an app. The app we're going to use is free, so open up a web browser of your choice. The app we're using is called OBS Studio. We'll guide you through setting it up and recording. Go and search for it and come to obsproject.com. Here you can go and choose the operating system you use. In this case, we use Windows, so I'll click that there and it will download. Be patient. When it's finished downloading, open up your file explorer. Come to downloads to the left and find the OBS installer. Double click on it, you'll get a Windows security pop-up you need to agree to. It will open up. The installer opens, you'll need to press next. Make sure you read this through and you can then press next. When it's finished, you can go and select launch OBS Studio or just go and use the shortcut. And now it's going to go and open up. What we can do is go and select optimize for recording and you can then go and press next. You can then go and choose the base camera's resolution, go and choose your monitor size. So if it's bigger than the current one, go and select that there. Then for the FPS, I recommend using 60 to make it smooth, press next. You'll see these settings here, these are good, and you can then press apply settings like so. So there we are, you've now changed the settings. You can go and press settings in the bottom right to access them, come to audio to the left, and you can go and choose your desktop audio, set that to be your speakers or your headphones. Then for the mic, make sure you set that to be the correct one, press apply and press OK. Come into the audio mixer and find the audio, not your mic. This is going to be your computer sound. You want to go and decrease it, as otherwise the game sounds in Minecraft can go and drown your voice out. Of course, you can go and decrease these both to go and completely turn them off. Now come and select the scene and come into the source and press the plus, and you can go and select display capture. You can use gain capture, but I find display capture just to be the easiest, so press OK. You can then go and choose the display. I'll use the primary one and press OK, and there it is. So that's it. When you're ready, press start recording, and you can then come into Minecraft and you can start recording what you want to. We can go and play, and then when you're finished, you can come return to OBS and press stop recording. In the bottom left, it will go and tell you the path. You can see this is in my videos folder here. You can change that in your settings if you needed. So I can open up my file explorer. I'll press videos to the left. I'll come down. I've got a lot here, and then I can find the video that we just went and recorded. You can then do what you want to with it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again.